Hello, Amanda and Layla. In addition to your hiking bag, we would like you, for the sake of sparing space in the vehicle and living that more vagabond lifestyle, to pack one bag between the two of you. Aaron and I will also be packing one bag between the two of us. Here I have a standard backpack. Please do not think carry-on luggage. That is large. That will make it difficult for me to be able to see out the rear view. What I have packed, this is in addition to my hiking stuff. This will go in the bag that Aaron and I share. I have one pair of jeans. I have one nicer short sleeve shirt in case we're to go to dinner and I didn't want to wear my horror movie t-shirt, which I packed there. White t-shirt and under tee. In addition to my hiking socks, I have one pair of more dress-y-like socks, a pair of underwear, extra pair of underwear. You're welcome to pack more than one if you'd like, a belt, and a pair of slides. You could think flip-flops and or Tevas, something of the sort, whatever you have. And maybe those should be the shoes that you wear on the day that we pick you up, because we will be buying you hiking shoes on that day. In addition to those materials, I have my extra medication. So I don't have to carry all of my medication in my hiking bag. These would be my medications that I need for the rest of the trip. You're welcome to refill your hiking bags as necessary. I have my fancy toothbrush and my water pick. Here I have deodorant and my shaving cream and my razor, safety razor, lotions, razor, nose trimmers because I'm an old man, in case you probably don't need those. I have my charging cords for my water pick, my toothbrush, any additional charging cords that you need. All of this stuff is what I'm going to be taking in addition. It seems minimal, but this is sort of the joy or one of the aspects of this particular summer vacation. I will put all of that stuff in this bag, and I will see you in just a moment to talk about what that looks like and other things that you may pack. Okay, so I just wanted to very quickly show you what it looks like when it's packed. Extra room in that pouch, plenty of extra room in that pouch, lots of extra room in that pouch for Erin to do the same with her meds and hygiene and clothes as well. So we'd like to get the two of you to try to be able to fit, minimal amount of clothes, extra clothes, say like your laundry day clothes or your one set of clothes to go out to eat when you don't want to smell like a hiker and your hiker clothes are in the laundry clothes. Additional items that I say, heck yeah, bring. Books. If you're a journaler, if you want to sketch pad, I'm sure that there will be plenty of things that you might be interested in sketching. Or if you wanted to write poetry, I'm sure there'll be some lovely trees and beaches that you may want to write poetry about. If you'd like to bring an additional book other than what you pack in your hiking bag, this might be the place to store it. As far as the car goes, we figure like one stuffy, maybe a stuffy that you can fit in your hiking bag would be a good stuffy to take for the whole trip. Or you're welcome to bring a stuffy that would be able to stay in the back seat or maybe go with you when we're like car camping and there's not much of a walk between the car and where the tent is. You're welcome to bring your neck pillows for the car. Again, I encourage you for the sake of entertainment purposes to bring an iPod and possibly download Solitaire or other games on it like that, so that when we are in the mountains and you find yourself sitting on a rock not collecting firewood, filtering water, or digging a hole to use the bathroom, you say, you know what I want to do? I'm going to play some solitaire right now, or read a book, draw, journal, etc. Make sure you try to get all that stuff in one bag. If you have any problems, you're going to have to talk to Erin, because I'm about to disappear for a few weeks on a hiking trail, out of cell phone range and everything. I know that Erin told you 2 bags, but she boo-booed. She meant that the two of you put your stuff in one bag. Try your best. Backpack, not carry-on luggage. Again, hopefully you'll see how it all works as a grand plan when you pull it off. And we believe you can pull it off. Just think minimalist. We're going to have a minimalist summer. and I hope that you find it fun and interesting and adventurous, and perhaps allows you to think, man, you know what? That bedroom, that extra large bedroom and that closet full of clothes is not so bad after all. But maybe you'll look back afterwards and reflect and think about what a wonderful time it was. And we believe that it will be a wonderful time. We look forward to trying to make it a wonderful time for you, and we'll have a lovely summer together. We'll love you, and we'll talk to you soon. Pick you up.